Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So before going to the video, do click on the bell icon so that you won't miss any updates from my channel. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a quick video. I'm gonna make a pattern, and this pattern is I'm gonna do it on this acrylic paint pad, because generally I'm using these paint markers, and generally when you use a thin paper, it just smear onto the paper. So it's better to use a heavyweight paper. So I'm using this acrylic pad here. So you can use some heavyweight chart as well, but don't use a very light paper. So I'm gonna use some acrylic paint to paint the whole page black, so that I can color on top of it with my paint markers. I'm making a very simple design, very simple design. No need for any artistic techniques here. Just do what I'm doing and it's gonna turn out to be real good. Just be with me and watch the whole video. So now our painting is almost done. It's a quick pattern that I was planning to do with my paint markers, and you can do any kind of zentangle on top of a black paper with these paint markers. They look real great. So just if you want to paint it on top of white paper as well, you can choose some different colors, or you can do it with the black color on top of white. It will look real good, because if there's a contrast of colors, that always turns out to be real eye-catching. So here it is. I think I'm almost done. I'll paint it now on top of both the papers. Now you can see this is how it looks. So you can frame it, put it on your wall. You do this on a canvas or whatever. Just give me your views and give me a big thumbs up. Till then, bye bye.